30 women were examined in the hospital by the doctor, and the number of heartbeats per minute recorded and summarized as follows. So you can see the number of heartbeats. So between 65 to 68, there were 2 women, 68 to 71, 4 women, and so on. The data is given. Find the mean heartbeat per minute for those women choosing a suitable method. So we have to find the mean heartbeat. So for each and every data, we have to find the mean over here. So how do we find the mean? For this, we have a straightforward thing. We have to go for the long table. In the first thing, we have a class interval. We have class interval. So what class intervals are available to us? We have the class intervals as 65 to 68. Then we have 68 to 71. Then we have 71 to 74. Then we have 74 to 77, 77 to 80, 80 to 83, and finally we have 83 to 86. This is all. Then the mid value is required over here to do the calculation. Mid value, that we call as xi would be what? We have to find the mean of this part, right? 66.5. This will be 69.5. This will be 72.5. This will be 78.5, 81.5, 84.5. I missed something. 66.5, 69.5, 72.5, 75.5. For this one I have missed out, or let me erase this one and write it once again. Over here I missed out 75.5. Yeah, so 75.5 over here, 75.5. Then we had 78.5, 8.5. Then we have 81.5, 81.5, 84.5. All right, these are the things. Now frequency given to us, frequency for all these given to us are 2, not over here, 2, 4, 3, 8, 7, 4 and 2. Now we have to calculate over here I is equals to xi, that means whatever the mid value we have find out, minus 75.5, that means exactly in between, lying exactly in between, divided by 3 over here. So this calculation needs to be done from your end. You have to put up the value and find out over here. Minus, this will come out to be minus 3, for this will come out to be minus 2, for this minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. So these are the calculation done. Now you have to multiply this part. Now you have to multiply this part with FIUI. FIUI will be what? After doing the calculation, this will be minus 6, minus 8, minus 3, 0, 7, 8, 6. And also, if we have to do the total of few things, so frequency when all added will be 30, and FIUI when all added, this will be simply 4. Some of them are positive, some are negative. Now class interval, this was divided by 3 because of the class interval. So I believe you know what class interval is. Class interval is 3. 68 minus 65, that is why we have divided by 3. And why 75.5? This is lying exactly in between 75.5 over here. So going by this, now we can find out the mean thing over which we have to calculate. So over here, this is simply a plus h into FIUI divided by summation of FI. We put up all the values which we have over here. The values which we have, A is 75.5, 75.5 plus h, the difference which is 3. The total part which we have calculated is 4 by 30. When we add up this entire thing, it will come out to be 75.9. The mean heartbeat per second for these women, all these women, the mean heartbeat will be 75.9. Understanding this part is important. Why we divided by 3, why we are taking 75.5, and rest of the method is as usual.